Okay, so I'm bored again and I'm going to record another video. My voice is feeling a lot better now, and I'm probably going to be going back to work starting tomorrow. It's Sunday, so tomorrow's my first week back in the world, and I'll finally go back to school and go back to work and finally see all of you guys. And hopefully I'll still record videos even later, because I started something like an obsession, and I'm not wearing makeup in all these videos, so please bear with me, but I promise later in the week or whenever I start to start making more videos, I'll work on my appearance so that you guys will actually enjoy looking. I'm gonna solve a Rubik's Cube for you guys. I tried to mix it up as much as I could, and okay, hopefully I can do it in a pretty short time. Okay, thanks for watching.